How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Jenny. I'm 10 years old. I live in Zambia City. I'm in class 5 at Delhi School.
That's great. Jenny, good. Did you swim?
Yes, I did. I swam with my mother.
Good. Did you take photos?
Yes, I did. I took photo with my father.
Good. Did you walk on the beach?
Yes, I did. I worked on the beach with my family.
Great job. Okay, Jenny, look here. What did your family do in Halong Bay?
We took a boat trip around Bay.
What did your family do in Sydney?
We saw some interesting places.
Interesting places.
Interesting places.
Interesting. Good. What did your family do in Singapore?
We bought souvenirs.
Souvenirs. Good. Jenny, will you decorate the house for Ted?
Yes, I will.
Will you make bangkung for Ted?
No, I won't. I'll make spring rolls.
Spring roll, okay. Will you do the shopping for Ted?
Yes, I will.
Good. Jenny, where will you go at Ted?
I'll go to my grandparents'
house. Where will you go at Ted?
I'll go to a fireworks show.
Show, great. Okay, Jenny, what will you do on Children's Day?
We'll dance.
What will you do on Teacher's Day?
We'll sing.
What will you do on Sports Day?
We'll play badminton.
Good. Okay, what food will you have at the party?
We'll have pizza.
What drinks will you have at the party?
We'll have milk tea.
Milk tea, good. Okay, how does she stay healthy?
She do morning exercise.
Exercise. Good. How does he stay healthy?
He plays sports.
Good. How does he stay healthy?
He eats healthy food.
Great. Okay. How often does she do yoga?
Once a week.
Once a week.
Once a week.
Good. How often does he play badminton?
Twice a week.
Great. Okay. What's the matter with you, Jenny?
I have toothache.
What's the matter with you?
I have a headache.
Headache. What's the matter with you?
I have a stomach ache.
Great. Okay. So, what should you do?
Thanks for your.
You should
go to the dentist.
You should go to the dentist. Good. That's a good job. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great.